There are many benefits to downsizing as you move into retirement. Hi, I'm Diane, and I'm just talking about downsizing your space where you live. By downsizing, you can reduce your financial burden. You can lower your rent or your mortgage payment. I know I did. I think I saved about $2,300 a month by downsizing, by selling my home, using the equity that I got from it to finishing out a big shed that was in my backyard. Of course, I live in my daughter's backyard now in this shed. It's wonderful. It's a great peace of mind. That way you can have more money for travel or for your hobbies. I know that I'm better off, for sure. You can reduce your utilities. I mean, I pay very, very little here for electricity. I mean, it's just like 100, 120, like in the summer when you're running the air all the time. And in my other house, which I can still see, look over the fence and see it, it would be like $350. Sometimes it was $450. Big difference. Big difference. All that kind of stuff can like boost your bank account, you know. You can see a difference. Let's talk about the maintenance on a big house. There's always something that needs repairing or fixing or needs a handyman to come in and fix. And if you're in a smaller space, sometimes you can fix it yourself. There's always a YouTube video that shows you how exactly. I mean, about everything. You could find a YouTube video about everything that you needed to do. And you could do it yourself. And not to mention mowing lawns. Oh my gosh. I mean, lawn services are out of sight. I mean, they're ridiculous, really. But people will pay because they don't want to mow themselves. And my daughter Ashley just mowed our yard this very morning. I had to wait for a while till she got through before I could make this video. But doing all the chores yourself, small chores, will help you also save money. Downsizing to a smaller space, for sure, will lead to a more manageable living environment. I just can't imagine going back to the way I used to live and all the things that I had to do or take care of in a larger home. Just not going to do it anymore. Let's don't forget about cleaning. Oh my gosh. It takes no time to clean my small space. And before, it would take all day Saturday to clean my house. This is just the downstairs, because I very seldom went upstairs to clean because I had my son and his family living upstairs. So, you know, if you move to a smaller space, a single level, that's going to cut down on accidents as you age. It's just more practical. Even if you get a condo or even move in a retirement community, it's just going to be so much better for you. And if you're worried about things to do, well, retirement communities have recreational activities there. Now, I'm not talking about a care home. I'm talking about a community of like people, like your age group. Yeah, you can get, there's pools, there's golfing, there's social gatherings, lots of fun things to do there. to keep you active and busy and not lonely. Well, let's don't forget about, you might even meet new friends at a place like that. You may even run into the love of your life. Who knows? How cool would that be? Yeah. Please consider this. I know it's meant the world to me. Just a minute. Oh, did you know that you could even go ahead and move into a climate that is more suitable? How great would that be? Or move to a smaller space near your family that you've been away from for a long time. Oh, that would be nice. I wished all of my kids lived around me. I really do. I really, really do. I miss them. I talk to them all the time, but I miss them. I'm having trouble with my eyes this morning. I think it's time for a eye appointment. Okay, basically, that's all I have to say. I want you to think about this. If you're in retirement or right on the edge of retirement, as I am, a big house with all that responsibility, you think, I love this house. I've lived here for 30 years. It's my home. How can I leave it? Guarantee you, you can love another home. I love my tiny space, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. I'll see you next time. Love's coming your way.